Of course, and a statewide youth apprenticeship program is providing the necessary training for the next generation of aerospace workers. It's happening at the Museum of Flight. We were out there today. 67 high school juniors officially launched their career into aerospace manufacturing. They're going to be hired by local companies to work as apprentices and get paid on the job for training as well as tuition-free college classes. The first apprenticeship program for high school students to work in aerospace started last year. It currently serves students in at least 9 school districts across our state.
You know, we did this a year ago at the first signing ceremony where these young people got up there and they put on their new employers' hats and their new employers' t-shirts. And I felt it was as good as the NBA draft day. They looked like LeBron James up there. Everybody was excited to see what company they were going to join. And I think that that vision statement is appropriately exciting to young people. Guess what they're going to do when they've succeeded their dual access pathway? They're going to graduate with a diploma, with a production technician journey level card, with 15 college credits, with $28,000 in their pocket and 0 debt. That's a pretty good deal for you.